Welcome back to Industry Week 2024 coverage. We are back here at the AAPEX show, and I'm at the CPS Automotive booth with Dennis Eaton. Dennis, thank you for your time today.
You're very welcome.
You guys have some exciting things, some fairly new items that we want to talk about, and we want to start here with the MXH3030. Please tell us what is new and exciting about this machine.
So the MXH3030 is recently released. Next year, 2025, will be our first full season with this particular unit. What's unique about this unit is it will service both 134 and 1234yf refrigerants. There's a conversion process that takes place because it is a single circuit machine. Take anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes to convert back and forth. But it's very unique in that it is one footprint, but yet it'll handle two refrigerants.
And that's huge for shops that, space is a necessity. They're servicing both types of refrigerant. It makes it really, really easy for the technician, for the shop owner to be able to take care of what they need to. So this is a great piece. You also have over here an MXHD machine. Let's go over and talk about that if you would.
Sounds good.
So this one here, was this released about the same time, the MXHD? And what makes it different from the MX3030 and kind of what's your target on this one?
All right, so this will be 2025 will be its first full season in the market as well. We noticed that on the heavy duty refrigerant management side of the business, for large capacity systems, there really wasn't a machine built for that particular segment of the marketplace. So we introduced this to access and service R134 vehicles for high capacity systems. It has 18-foot service hoses. It has a 50-pound tank upgradable to 90 if necessary.
Oh, wow.
It has a larger vacuum pump than our regular medium and light duty truck units. Has a 2-year warranty, full coverage.
Excellent. I mean, the larger vacuum pump, I'm sure it helps, speed up that recovery process quite a bit. Go through and being able to actually pull down that vacuum, check the system. So no, this looks like a great machine. Moving over to this table, you have some products here. Dye injection and some other items. You want to walk us through what you want to talk about here?
Right. So, in accordance with SA certification, when you're servicing a hybrid electric or a 1234yf vehicle, our equipment will not allow the technician or the shop to do an oil injection back into the vehicle from the machine. So we have to give them a way to put oil back into the vehicle.
Yep.
So the UV branded universal AC dye and oil system utilizing the Spot Gun and the Spot Gun Junior is a very safe, effective, and fast way to get the correct amount of oil and or dye back into the system.
No, that's excellent. And offering two different sizes. The Spot Gun Junior, looks like a nice piece. For the technician or the shop owner that doesn't maybe do a ton of AC work, is this really kind of a better option for them? Or
it would be. It also comes in very. It's very efficient if your dealership is doing parts per job. That would be the way to go. There's also a 1/4 ounce size that's not visible here.
Okay.
It's also available. That's more of a one shot.
Excellent. From there, is there any, in these shows, booth size is a premium, so you can't bring everything you're offering, but is there anything else that you wanted to spotlight that may not be here today?
Well, when you're talking about the air conditioning system on a vehicle, we offer service tools as well. This is our Black Max series of manifold gauge sets.
Okay. Yep.
That's available. We also offer vacuum pumps. We also offer service tools such as maintenance kits, filters, and upkeep for all of our maintenance items for our AC equipment as well.
Excellent, awesome. That's just fantastic. And it's when you're talking about AC, people a lot of times when they think about the investment they need to make in AC, they're really just thinking about the machines themselves, but all the ancillary items and dyes and everything else that go along with it. There's always so much more that below the surface that people need to take into account. And it sounds like you guys really kind of cover the bases with that, if you will.
That's a great point, and yes, we do. And one couple of important side notes. The universal kits that we're currently showing and displaying here at AAPEX 2024, they will work for both 1234yf vehicles, 134 vehicles, as well as hybrid and electric. When you're talking about dye injection into a vehicle to check for an AC leak, You want to have a very good super concentrated dye, but you also have to have a very good UV leak detection lamp.
Absolutely.
So we supply both of those as well.
No, that's fantastic. I mean, it's again trying to find those, service those leaks. And when we talk about, you know, hybrid and just the amount of, or the importance, I should say, of the AC systems in those vehicles, leak detection is, you know, going to become more and more and more of an important factor. So
absolutely,
it's fantastic.
Normally, the consumer comes in March or in April of the start of the year, and they notice that the first time that they turned on their AC system, it wasn't cooling as well as it did when they shut it down in, let's say, September of the previous year.
Yep.
And that's when the technician goes to work.
That's exactly right. Well, thank you very much for taking us through this, and we'll take a look at a few of the other items that you got to offer. Here you have the MotorVac BrakeVac III system. Tell us a little bit about this one.
All right, this is going to be a newer lineup to our preventive maintenance MotorVac branded product for 2025. And the BrakeVac III will be available. We're looking at probably May of 2025, but it'll be brand new to the market. It'll be an excellent tool for the technician to use to exchange brake fluid in the system vehicle, which is paramount to both wear and safety.
Extremely overlooked service in the industry.
No doubt.
Absolutely, that's very important. So no, that's excellent. Thank you for sharing that. And while we're on the subject on brake fluid, tell us a little bit about this test kit you have.
Very excited about this. This is a new test kit that's going to be offered by CPS under the MotorVac brand for the first time. We're going to be checking the moisture level within the brake system of the consumer's vehicle by measuring the boiling point, which this is going to do. Basically a pass or fail. That's going to allow the technician to properly check the brake fluid coming directly out of the master cylinder, and if they need to, lead directly into the service.
Excellent. That's a great way to be able to go through, show the customer tangible information they can use to make the decision that they need to service the fluid. So no, that's an excellent product. Why don't you tell me a little bit about the core removal tool you have here?
So the core removal is extremely important when you're talking about servicing the AC system on the vehicle. The Schrader valve contained within the service port, both low and high side, over time will deteriorate. Being able to remove that particular Schrader valve from that particular part of the vehicle without losing refrigerant is paramount, especially with the cost of 1234yf refrigerant these days. This kit in particular will allow you to do 134 and 1234yf refrigerants.
No, I really appreciate you highlighting that. You guys have had, you know, within a small footprint, you have a lot of great machines, a lot of great equipment here to help with the AC and brake service. Is there anything else you want to highlight before we leave?
Yeah, just so everybody knows, you can only bring so much product to the booth in these types of shows. I showed you the MXHD earlier, which is our dual refrigerant unit for both R134a and 1234yf. We also have single refrigerant units that cover both R134a and R1234yf under the MSX series.
No, excellent. And that's, you know, again, all great information. I will let you get back to work. I really appreciate your time this afternoon. And you have yourself a wonderful day, and you as well. I'm Erik Screeden with Endeavor Business Media, and thank you for watching.